Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Arkato Asharia. My number absent 5, and my friend Anjay Windari, number absent 6. We want to make a presentation about the vitamin D COVID-19 trial, pragmatic cluster randomized design. Writing by journal is this is written by Rui Wang, Victor De Grootala, Juan Barclay, Kenneth Hameyer, Susan Ritlin, Aditi Hasra, Sania Mora, Walter C. Willard Davasambu, Genma, Joanne mentioned. And then year it was published the journal 6 October 2020. This is year it was published the journal, and the name of journal is Contemporary Clinical Trials. This is of the name of the journal. And then after that, this type is the research article because the purpose section show the research test sentence and generally has a total of 25 texts. And type of the abstract is structured abstract that consists of contents of introduction and purpose of the study, methods, result, and conclusions. And then I'm going to talk about the abstract part of the article. For example, the abstract that is the purpose of the study, methods, result, and conclusions. And then the example will be explained to my friend Anggia Windari.
The content of the abstract. The first objective to determine the effect of vitamin D supplementation on disease progression and post-exposure prophylaxis for COVID-19 infection. We hypothesize that high-dose vitamin D supplement will reduce risk of hospitalization or death among those will recently diagnosed COVID-19 infection and will reduce risk of COVID-19 infection among their close household contact. The second methods, we report the rationale and design of a planned pragmatic cluster randomized double-blind trial and 27 in total nationwide with 15 1,500 newly diagnosed individuals with COVID-19 infection, together with up to one close household contact and 1,200 contacts. Randomized to either vitamin D or loading dose than 3,200 EU or placebo in a 1:1 ratio and a household cluster design. The study duration is 4 weeks. The primary outcome for newly diagnosed individuals is the occurrence of hospitalization and or mortality. Key secondary outcome include symptom severity scores among case and gangs in the infection or seroconversion status for their close household contacts. Gangs in vitamin D 25 OH-D levels will be assessed and their relation to study outcome will be explored. Next, conclusion. The purpose pragmatic trial will allow parallel testing of vitamin D3 supplementation for early treatment and post-exposure prophylaxis of COVID-19. The household cluster design provides a cost-efficient approach to testing and information for reducing rate of hospitalization and or mortality in newly diagnosed cases and preventing infection among their close household contacts. The last result and discussion: design of a planned pragmatic cluster randomized double-blind trial and equals 2,700 in total nationwide with 1,500 newly diagnosed individuals with COVID-19 infection, together with up to one close household contact age 1,000 contacts randomized to either vitamin D3 loading dose than 3,200 EU or day or placebo in a 1:1 ratio and household cluster design. Let's move on to what you learn from the abstract. What I can learn from this article is know what drug or vitamin are suitable for consumption by COVID-19 patients and know how many people have been infected with COVID. Finally,
And then thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.